Did you know about the amazing benefits of chickpeas? Let's embark on a journey of discovery together, unraveling the secrets of this humble legume. Chickpeas, often overlooked in our pantries, are silently packed with a punch of nutrients. They are not just a foundation for a scrumptious hummus, but also a treasure trove of health benefits. So, are you ready to unlock the potential of these tiny powerhouses? Stay tuned as we dive into the world of chickpeas and explore their incredible benefits. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are not just tasty, they are a powerhouse of nutrition. These humble legumes pack a punch when it comes to nutrition. Let's delve into the details, shall we? The first thing to note is that chickpeas are an excellent source of protein. This makes them a fantastic choice for vegetarians, vegans, or anyone looking to add more plant-based protein to their diet. Not to mention, they are rich in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps you feel full and satisfied. But it doesn't stop there. Chickpeas are also loaded with several essential vitamins and minerals. They're particularly rich in folate, a B vitamin that's crucial for optimal brain function and overall health. Plus, they contain iron, phosphorus, copper, and manganese, all of which play a key role in maintaining a healthy body. So next time you're planning a meal, don't overlook these nutritional gems. But that's not all. Chickpeas have even more to offer. Beyond nutrition, chickpeas can significantly contribute to your health. Let's dive into the specifics. Chickpeas are a secret weapon for weight management. They are high in protein and fiber, which can keep you feeling full and satisfied longer. This means less unnecessary snacking and more control over your calorie intake. Next, let's talk digestion. The fiber in chickpeas is not just good for keeping hunger at bay, it also aids in smooth digestion and promotes a healthy gut. Now, onto blood sugar. Chickpeas have a low glycemic index, which means they are absorbed slowly into our systems, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels. This makes them a great choice for people with diabetes. Lastly, chickpeas are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that can reduce the risk of several diseases, including heart disease and cancer. Now, that's what we call a superfood. So, are you ready to make chickpeas a staple in your diet? We've journeyed through the nutrient-packed world of chickpeas, discovering their countless health benefits. From boosting digestion to enhancing skin health, the humble chickpea truly is a powerhouse of nutrition. To explore more health gems like this, don't forget to subscribe to The Altruist. Together, we can navigate towards a healthier lifestyle. Remember, your health is your wealth. Subscribe to The Altruist and let's journey together towards a healthier lifestyle. Thanks for watching.